Hello guys, welcome to the latest video from 82107 and welcome to Trade App. And today I'm at Filton Abbey located on the, kind of the start of the South Wales Main Line and the Great Western Main Line. Going over towards Bristol Parkway. So today you're going to be seeing services by Great Western Railway and cross country. Filton Abbey is quite a major station because it's everything going to. This is like the junction station for South Wales and Pathway and Parkway, and believe it or not, it's more busier than Bristol Parkway is because it's got a bit more traffic than Parkway does. Actually, yeah, it does have a little bit more traffic than what Parkway does, so that's why I've come here. So yeah, let's get on with this video. Bye guys, bye. Right, about to pass through now. We have a cross country voyager from Plymouth to York, which is going to be formed of 221133 and 221136. Here it comes. Yeah, I thought I'd rather film it going through in front. I didn't turn around that way because there's no point really with passing trains because of that fence in the way. There's a bit at the end, like with some stations you can actually see down the track, but as you can see you can't there. So if you're going to film passing trains, you're better filming it from the other angle. So yeah. Right, now will be the delayed 1641 cross-country Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central to Taunton. Waiting time 43042. And 43009. No, it's not. Right, now will be the, I stop moving because I'm trying to get the HST going out. Will be 166209. This is the 1645 Great Western Railway service to Worcester Main Street. From Bristol Temple Reach. Now will be the delayed 1641 Great Western Railway service to Taunton from Cardiff Central 43042 in the front and Waterman Castle 43155 in the rear. I didn't even know 042 was the front. Now I might just be making stuff up. Yeah, bye guys, bye. Now is 165134. This is on the 1652 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Parkway from Bristol Temple Reach. See you out in a minute. Bye guys, bye. That is on the shuttle today between Bristol Temple Reach and Bristol Parkway. The reason they got shuttles between Temple Reach and Parkway is because this is replacing what the Western turbos used to do between Temple Meads and Bristol Parkway, but obviously the services from Western Supermare now go to Seven Beach. So yeah, off it goes. That's 165 136 to Bristol 134, sorry, to Bristol Parkway, calling it Bristol Parkway only. So yeah, bye guys, bye. That was 165 136 and 166 216. That was on a Great Western Railway service to Bath Spa, calling it Bristol Temple Meads and Bath Spa from Cardiff Central. So yeah, bye guys, bye. And then now 165 134 again with the 1714 Great Western Railway service from Bristol Parkway to Bristol Temple Meads, following at Stapleton Road, Lawrence Hill and Bristol Temple Meads. I'll watch some news for you guys in a minute as well. Right, departing now with 165 134 with the 1714 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads. And then now 158747 along with the Cow City. This is the 1726 Great Western Railway service from Gloucester to Bath Spa, calling at Bristol Temple Meads, Cater, Monkville Park and Bath Spa. See you later guys, bye. That's the part now, 158747. And 158769. That's the 1726 Great Western Railway service to Bath Spa. So about to say camera guys. So yeah. Bye guys, bye. As of through now will be 166. Who was wanted to start. Hello. How's this going? He's unlocking the doors as well. Right, now 166 216 and 165 135 on the delayed actually, very delayed, 1706 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central. from Bristol Temple Meads. The reason that service is from Bristol Temple Meads and it's a change of train set is because 166-205, which was meant to be running it got stuck in Bath because there's an obstruction on the line, so no trains are going to Bath. I'm passing through now, be a cross-country service from Plymouth from somewhere to numbers for you as of in a minute. But yeah, so I will see you in a minute. Bye guys, bye. Around in 1741, Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central from Penzance. And this one is 43088. Coded to uniform 24 and (43,040) at St Philip's Mass on the rear. Bye. Now it's the other 1742 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central 43172. Ex-Harry Patch now has the nameplate Tiverton Castle and something else on the way. Great Western Railway service to Taunton from Cardiff Central. Now calling at Bristol Temple Meads, now the Rockwell. Yaton Well, it's not going to Western Supermare because there's signalling problems on the Western Loop, so it's going straight to Highbury and Burnham, Bridgewater, and then Taunton. Right, bye guys, bye. And the last 158-769 and 158-747 again. That's on the 1746 Great Western Railway service to Gloucester from Bristol Temple Meads. And that's 158-747 and 158-769. That's on the slightly delayed 1746 Great Western Railway service from Bristol Temple Meads to Gloucester. Reason that's not going to Bath Spa today is because of, like I said earlier, there's an obstruction on the line. So, I don't know what's happening with the IETs to pad though, because they haven't passed through here. So my guess is there's only one line that's blocked and the other line that's open they're using for the Bristol pad services. That's my guess. My guess would be only one line is blocked and they're using the line they have for the Bristol Temple Meads to London services, and the line that's blocked is and they don't have enough capacity because one line is blocked to run the local services to Bath, because they would usually go to Portsmouth and on to Westbury, Frome and Weymouth and Warminster, but due to engineering works they were terminated at Bath. But my guess is, due to capacity, they don't have one line is blocked, so they only have one line open, so they're using that for the Bristol to London services. So which means the regional services have to terminate at Temple Meads. And actually, I'm not going to turn this clip off, because arriving in now is 165-134 again. This is the 1753 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Parkway from Bristol Temple Meads. Calling at Bristol Parkway only. Right, departing now, 158766 and 158957. That is on the 1808 Great Western Railway service to Bath Spa, calling at Bristol Temple Meads and Bath Spa. So, yeah. Bye guys, bye. Right, departing now will be the 1840 Great Western Railway service from Bristol Parkway to Bristol Temple Meads. 165134 again. Calling that Staple Road, Lawrence Hill and Bristol Temple Meads. Yeah, see you in a bit guys, bye. Passing through there, off guard with 800-321. I don't know where he's off to, on an ETS, probably. Or going to London, one of the two. So yeah, bye guys, bye. That road now is the 1820 Great Western Railway service from Worcester Foregate Street to Bath Spa. And on this one is 166203. See you in a minute guys, bye bye. It's part of now the Wales Power Service to Bath Spa, 16203. That's the 1820 Great Western Railway service to Bath Spa, calling at Bristol Temple Meads, Caterham, Oldfield Park and Bath Spa. So yeah, but it says there's a fast train now approaching platform 1, so I wonder what it could be. Can't see anything. Maybe a diverted IET from London, but it said all the problems at Bath are cleared. So Oh, it's a turbo, and it's 1.6. One 137. Passing through and stop. There you go. So yeah, see you in a minute, guys. That will be the 1841 Great Western Railway service from Penzance to Cardiff Central. 43094. Maintain. That was the basement. And on the rear is my friend's favourite power car. 43093 Old Oak Common. Right, passing through that will be a hot country HST. I probably could have got a better pass than that, to be honest. But yeah. Right, departing now, BR 43009. That's the first road service to Taunton, now calling it Bristol Temple Meads. There's in background, yes son. Whoa. Hiding the murder because of the signal problem, the Western Superman, Bridgewater and Taunton. So I'm going to finish this video from Filton Abbey Woods here. So thank you all for watching this video from Filton Abbey Woods. If you have liked what you've seen, then please do like and subscribe, and please do leave any comments, because I will get back to them as and when I can. Filton Abbey Woods is a good station to film at. It does get a bit boring sometimes to see in turbos, 1.5 turbos in castles. But yeah, it's a good station with quite a lot of services, and I've really enjoyed my time here. So thank you all for watching this video from Filton Abbey Woods, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys, bye.